Denise, how are you?
Hi, Jen. How are you?
I'm doing well. It's like you're busy at work today.
Yes, I am.
Well, good. I was going to see after you get a few moments if you could sit down with me and have a little discussion about your position here with Case & Associates.
If you just let me finish up, I'll be right with you.
Absolutely.
Okay, Jen, I'm ready.
All right. Well, thanks for taking time out of your day today to talk with me, and just want to get your feel about how your position goes with Case & Associates and how you came about working for us. So tell me, what is your job title?
I am a housekeeper.
You're a housekeeper, and how long have you been working for Case & Associates?
It'll be 2 years in May.
2 years, that's a long time.
Yes.
Have you always worked at the same property?
No, I have, and this is my second property in 2 years.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's nice. So how did you originally hear about Case & Associates and the job opportunity?
I have friends that work for Case & Associate, and my friend Cassidy told me about Case, and she's an assistant manager for Case.
Wow, that's great. Well, what type of work does a housekeeper do throughout the day? Kind of tell me, like when you get to work and you clock in, what do you do like from beginning to end?
Well, we start out the day by cleaning the clubhouse and making coffee and making cookies and cleaning the blinds and vacuuming, and then we have models to clean, and we do about the same. And then some properties have laundry rooms and fitness centers as well.
So when you go into the clubhouse in the morning, obviously you want to make sure everything smells good and looks fresh for all the new prospects coming in the door. And so you said vacuuming and dusting and cleaning the windows. And so then you go to the model homes, and like you were doing today, and making sure everything is sparkled, what we call sparkled, nice and shiny. And then, okay, so in the laundry rooms, you go to the laundry rooms, what do you do in the laundry rooms?
We clean inside the washers and take all the lint out of the lint traps, and we mop and sweep and just kind of detail the whole laundry room.
Yeah, because when they come in there to do their laundry, they want it to feel like it's in their home, nice and clean.
And make sure it's always having a fresh smell to it.
Good. Well, as we know, we're in the apartment industry, so we have to have clean apartments for people to move into. So tell me, when you go into an apartment, someone's vacated and we're getting it ready for someone to move into, what do you do from the very beginning? Like, how do you start cleaning that apartment?
Well, when I come in, I bring their equipment and I prep it, like my oven. I spray, before I spray the oven cleaner, you always use your safety equipment, like your gloves for the oven, for example. And then I put bleach water in my tub and let it soak. And then I go and proceed to clean my windows and the ceiling fans and all the little things in the apartment. And then I start deep cleaning the apartment.
So really, I mean, it's like walking into, I mean, from scratch to finish, you were pretty much there.
Yes.
Well, good. All right. Well, so tell me, I mean, you do a lot throughout the day, a lot of cleaning and janitorial type work. Tell me what you enjoy most about what you do during the day, with your job.
I actually enjoy everything about my job. I really enjoy taking care of others and getting the apartments as perfect as possible for the new tenants. Some tenants come in, and it might be a new couple that just got married. It might be their first apartment. So I try to make it as perfect as possible and as new as possible.
Well, because it's their home.
Yes,
I mean, this
correct.
is the place they lay their head down at night, and we want it to be, the first impression always counts. So really, you're responsible for that first impression.
Yes.
One of many people that are responsible for that.
I try to clean it like it's my apartment I'm cleaning.
That's
you
a
know,
good
my
way of
new
looking
apartment.
at it. Well, wonderful. So obviously, along with the good, there comes a little bit of bad. So tell me what challenges that you have with your job.
Every
What challenges
day,
you the most?
every day is a new challenge because every apartment is left in a different manner. So every day is a challenge.
I bet. I mean, there's probably some that are left really nice and some aren't so nice. So obviously you've got some that probably take you 2-4 hours and some 8-12 hours.
Yes, that's
So,
correct.
Yeah. All right.
Because we have quite a large properties, so we have a lot of apartments vacant sometimes through the week.
How do you do have, we were just talking about apartments that take a little bit longer than others, where people don't leave them as clean as other residents do. How do you overcome that objective? I mean, is there, as far as planning out your day, prepping, how do you overcome that challenge?
Well, you overcome that challenge by always, no matter if the apartment is a quick shine or a deep shine, you always try to make it as perfect as possible, and you always deep clean. Even if a tenant had left it pretty good condition, you always clean between the rubber and the refrigerator, and you deep clean around the cracks by the walls. You treat them both actually the same.
Just one you're just going to take more time on.
Yes, that's correct.
All right. Well, as you know, Case & Associates offers an array of benefits for their employees, and several of those include a 401k package, health, dental, vision, life insurance. We offer employee rent discounts. So do you participate in any of those benefits that we offer?
Yes, I do. I participate in health, dental, vision, and I'm in the 401k, and I live on a Case property. I live on
nice.
Cedar Glade, and I get a 20% discount, and that
nice.
sure does help for your rent.
Absolutely, it sure does. Do you have any family or friends? You said earlier someone referred you to Case & Associates, so you have family and friends that work for the company, don't you?
Yes, I have friends.
Well, good. So then you know about our employee referral program.
Yes.
If you refer an employee, then you do get a bonus after they've been employed with us for 90 days. That's really nice. So have you had a chance to attend one of our quarterly appreciation meetings, the meetings that we hold quarterly and bring all the staff members in? Have you attended one of those yet?
Yes, I have. I have attended all of them in the 2 years I've been with Case. And they're so much fun. It's teamwork. We do team games, and we give each other suggestions. And our great district managers, they're all there, and they always give us food to eat. And it's just a really overday perfect day.
Kind of a good day to get away from the hustle and bustle of your everyday work environment and meet other people in your same position. Kind of relax for an hour and have some good food and play some games. And I know that we give away some prizes here and there. So
and share each other's ideas too.
Yeah, well, that's great. With Case & Associates, as myself and several other of the regional vice presidents and supervisors, even our maintenance supervisors, actually started off as either in your position or as a leasing consultant or as a groundskeeper, and have moved our way up through the company. Is this something that you'd be interested in?
At this time, housekeeping. I love housekeeping, so I'm happy where I am. But a later day, I probably will climb.
Well, that's great, because we have to have people in your position to make this whole thing go around. So that's, I mean, you're just as important as everybody else in this company, so that's great. Well, what would you like to share today with our new Case employee on your feelings about Case & Associates and about your position here?
I think Case & Associates is a great company to work for, and there's a lot of teamwork. Co-workers are so helpful, and your managers always have a good communication with your co-workers and your manager.
Well, great. Well, Denise, thank you so much for your time today. I know you've got a busy schedule. From what you've told me today, you do have a lot of stuff going on throughout the day. So I'm going to let you get back to work, and I appreciate your time.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.